Alright, hello everyone! In this clip, I'll be introducing the new Data Bridge feature in the latest version of AutoInfo. The requirement is as follows. When we have a table listing the names of rooms like this, these are the groups. These groups have two characteristics. Firstly, they contain unique group information, and secondly, they include the name information of the associated object. The requirement is that when I want to rename an object, I'd like to be able to edit it from the Excel table. This table doesn't just allow you to change the room name, you can also add other information such as floor finish, wall finish, ceiling finish, and included with that is the room code. This room code will match exactly with the object information. The issue is how to push this information into the objects that have these codes. First, let's push the room name information in. You'll go into AutoInfo and click on the Import and Export button. Then you click on the Data Bridge button. In step 1, you'll select a data file, which can be an Excel, CSV or JSON file. Here, I'll click the Import button and then browse to the Data Bridge file, which is the Excel file from earlier. This file here. Click here. Right, here we have a preview table of that file, just a few rows, 8 rows, and 3 more rows as well. Not loaded yet. I'll click Next to move on to Step 2. Step 2 is where you match the data between the file and SketchUp. So the first column, Match field, is the column from this file. You'll select Room Code, which means you'll take information from the room code, these details here, and match it with Definition Name, which is the name of the object. And I'll select all the objects in the model as well. Next, regarding these mapping columns, this is the File column section, meaning the columns from the file. As you can see, the file has these columns: room code, number, room code, room name, finishing floor, wall, ceiling. Now for these parts, I'll temporarily skip them all. As for the room name section, I'll select instance name, which means I'll match the room name column, this column here, and save it into the instance name of the objects whose definition name matches the room code. And I skip the other sections. Now let's move on to the next part, which is preview match. This is to see how the matching works. Right, step 3 is the preview. Here we can see that there are 7 matches and 1 mismatch. So these are the definition names that match exactly between the room code and the definition name. And it will show us how the instance names will change. For example, from garage to garage A, front yard from nothing to front yard A, then foyer A, living room from this to that, and so on. It gives us a preview. If we want to accept the changes, we tick the box. If we don't want to accept the changes, for example, if I don't want to change kitchen dining to this new name, then I'll just untick this option. Like that. Here, if I accept all the changes, I tick all the boxes, then click Apply Change. There you go. You can immediately see that all the information has been saved and updated onto the object. So this is exactly what Data Bridge does. It helps you save information from outside Excel into the system. Thank you all. See you again in the next tutorial video. Bye.